Of back camera.
In the front.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon. I'm in the hospital. I am just returning back from hospital. I'm not feeling so fine. So here I'm in the market. I just want to get some abacha for myself. Yes, let me show you the abacha. African salad. I've thought it actually. It's not why it's not my view as high.
No, hi. Hi. This is the abacha African salad. You get. Come on.
Is it now? Where on? I'm married on okay. I can check it already.
Ne.
About better advertisement.
Ne, the abacha.
African salad. Okay, chicken already.
Yes.
African salad. What was the raw one? Can you do that?
Oh, it's good. Possible.
Maybe the new one now.
Sorry.
I don't know.
I want to see your side.
Let's go and buy fish. Smoked fish.
Auntie, for you. Auntie.
She can be there.
Can you go? Go on. We're not talking time. One and again. Okay.
I'm having malaria, guys. Hey, busy market. Hey, good market, though. Proud, though. So we are going to the buy fish. Did you say hi to my viewer? You want to buy smoked fish?
Good evening. Good afternoon.
All is good.
Please. That's vegan. That's vegan. Yeah. 113. Nke a na-ebido 113 pere mpe. Ndị a sị gị ndị a bụ ego ndị nke ndị nke aza mpe ọ chịrị bi na 200. Iwela has 15. Yeah. But I like it. Yeah. I like it. Yemele. Bola ako.
Hey, you're going to and I ate glass now. She was good fish. That I has to be very sharp. Super very sharp, smoked fish.
Kakura.
Bola ako. No. Mom.
Kakuna ba?
I
like them.
Let's move to another place. They are getting no.
Okay. We don't know. You know what number? What's the challenge? No.
We are moving to another place.
We are going to buy in drive. Egoni. Whenever 15. 15 for you 13 wala. Oh, you 13 wala. Wow. Ofu kancha. The answer now, environment.
Okay.
When you go there. Ị ga-atachakwa abacha nke ahụ. Ị ga-atachakwa abacha ya. Look at this content creator. Tachala ya our
Yeah, but it's sweet though.
You got pause here.
I'm fine. I go take care.
Jide tin phone ga. Gambar ganda.
Got pause there.
Pause na kini.
Pause go down.
Mama think
If you finish. If you finish.
Finish.
Speech on.
All right, guys. When I get home, we'll talk.
Enable retouch button.